learn letters with this song.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for bull that bounces on the ground. C is for cat who says meow, meow. D is for dog who barks bow wow.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see.
E is for elephant, big and gray.
Whoa.
F is for fish who swims all day.
Yeah.
G is for goat with a funny bleat.
9.
H is for hat that sits so neat.
12. Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning letters is easy, see.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet.
There.
J is for jump on your happy feet.
Here.
K is for kite flying high up there.
Yell.
L is for lion with golden hair.
Roar, dance and sing, come one, come all. We're learning letters and having a ball.
M is for moon, shining at night.
Tammy.
N is for nest, oh what a sight.
10.
O is for orange, juicy and round.
Trail.
P is for pig, rolling on the ground.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown.
There.
R is for rabbit, hopping up and down.
Boy.
S is for sun, so bright and high.
Yogi.
T is for train, choo-choo goes by.
Now wave your hands and shout hooray. We're learning letters every day.
U is for umbrella, when it may to rain.
Nice.
V is for van, driving down the lane.
No.
W is for whale, swimming in the sea.
Eugene.
X is for xylophone, play with me.
Boy, clap your hands and sing with cheer. We love learning every year.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes.
Whoa.
Z is for zebra, with black and white clothes.
Whoa.
Now we've sung from A to Z.